Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Chris, and in this video, we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to check TPM version in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To check whether your device has a TPM chip and is enabled and TPM version, open Start menu and search for tpm.msc and click the top result, or you can press Windows key plus R to launch the run box and type tpm.msc and hit Enter to open the Trusted Platform module, TPM Management Console. Under the Status section, confirm the TPM is ready for use to confirm the device has a Trusted Platform module and it's enabled. If your computer does not come with TPM or it's disabled, the message Compatible TPM cannot be found will be displayed. Our video on how to enable or disable TPM in BIOS might help you. The link is in the description below. Under the TPM Manufacturer Information section, check the specification version to confirm the chip version. TPM 2.0 is required to run Windows 11. Once you complete the steps, you will have confirmed whether or not the computer includes the hardware-based security module. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.